If you're a university student and you're not using these free AI tools yet, you could be spending hours doing work that AI can help you complete much faster. Whether you're writing essays, revising for exams, organizing assignments, or researching academic papers, the right AI tools can save you time and help you study more effectively. In this video, I'll show you 7 free AI tools that every university student should know about in 2026. Make sure you stay until the end because the final tool is one of the best ways to organize your coursework and stay on top of deadlines. Let's get started. Our first tool is NotebookLM by Google. NotebookLM allows you to upload lecture notes, PDFs, research papers, and course materials, then ask questions about your own documents. Instead of searching through hundreds of pages, NotebookLM provides answers based only on the information you've uploaded. It can also create summaries, explain difficult concepts in simple language, and even generate podcast-style audio discussions from your study materials. It's one of the easiest ways to revise more efficiently and understand complex subjects. Next is Claude AI. Claude is excellent for helping students improve essays, understand difficult topics, and organize written work. Instead of simply asking it to write an essay for you, try asking Claude to explain concepts, improve your writing style, or suggest stronger arguments while keeping your own ideas at the center of your work. Used responsibly, Claude can become an excellent study partner that helps you learn rather than simply generating answers. Our third AI tool is Elicit. Elicit is designed specifically for academic research. Instead of searching through endless websites, it helps you find relevant research papers by asking questions in plain English. It summarizes key findings, highlights important information, and helps you discover reliable academic sources much faster than a traditional search engine. If you're writing essays or completing research projects, Elicit can save you hours of work while helping you build stronger references. Next is Consensus. Consensus is another excellent research tool that searches published scientific studies to answer questions using evidence instead of opinions. Rather than relying on random websites, it helps you quickly understand what research says about a particular topic. This makes it especially useful when writing assignments that require credible academic evidence. Our fifth tool is Scite. Scite helps you evaluate research papers by showing whether a study has been supported, challenged, or mentioned by later research. This gives you greater confidence that you're using reliable sources instead of outdated or disputed information. For university students working on dissertations, essays, or research assignments, Scite is an excellent way to improve the quality of your academic work. Our sixth AI tool is StudyFetch. StudyFetch is designed to make revision more interactive. You can upload your lecture notes, class presentations, or study materials, and it can turn them into flashcards, quizzes, and practice questions automatically. Instead of reading the same notes over and over again, you can actively test your knowledge, which is one of the most effective ways to remember information. Whether you're preparing for exams or reviewing weekly lessons, StudyFetch can help make your revision sessions more engaging and productive. Our final AI tool is Notion AI. Staying organized at university can be just as important as studying itself. Notion AI helps you manage assignments, lecture notes, revision schedules, and deadlines all in one place. It can also summarize notes, generate task lists, and help you plan your workload more effectively. Instead of keeping everything scattered across different apps and notebooks, Notion AI gives you one organized workspace for your studies. Those are 7 free AI tools that can genuinely help university students save time, stay organized, and study more effectively in 2026. Remember, AI works best when it supports your learning rather than replacing it. Use these tools to understand topics, improve your writing, organize your workload, and build better study habits while always completing your own work honestly and following your university's academic integrity guidelines. Which of these AI tools are you most excited to try? Let me know in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like and subscribe to Daily AI Finds for more practical AI tools and tips every week. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.